Hello, students. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of homophones. Let's learn together. Homophones are words that sound the same but are spelt differently and have different meanings. Dyeing and dyeing refers to coloring fabrics, while dyeing means being close to death. For example, she learned the art of dyeing fabrics in her textile class. Despite dying to share her exciting news with the class, Sam patiently waited for the teacher to finish the class. Now, let's learn the difference between homonyms and homographs. Homonyms. These words have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. For example, bow, to bend forward, and bow, a weapon used to shoot arrows. Homographs. These words are spelt the same but may or may not be pronounced the same and have different meanings. For example, tear, to rip and tear, a drop from the eye. Now it's your turn to answer. What is the difference between homophones and homonyms? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.